Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with a Ruisha Fidget slider here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little guy. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this kind of content I'm bringing to you. So let's quickly check this out. So first of all, this guy comes with this in this very cool, I have to say, box. Is the first time that I'm seeing this one, and you have some foamy padding going on. You have, of course, the toy itself, and the box is nice indeed. And then this guy comes with the number, I guess, of the production number of this toy, and this is ammo. It's an ammo design, so very cool packaging indeed. And here we've got the vacuum sealed slider over here, and we're gonna need something nice like this guy over here to open this up. And let's quickly check this guy out. Let's see what this is all about. So that's a very interesting piece already, I'm telling you guys. That's a titanium slider. It's a nice fidget toy, and interesting. So you see, it's made of two main parts with 12 magnets going on the inside, which snaps the two, they snap together. And then you've got, interestingly, you see two screws, which are probably T6 Torx bit screws right over here to hold the, I think that's the cockpit in place. And here you have two inlays, also made out of titanium, held in place, sorry, by these three screws per side. And this is a very well made toy, guys, I'm telling you. So let's just quickly check the size on this one, and let's consider this as the widest part, and that's gonna be 1.41 inches. And let's see, let's say like this is gonna be the longest side to check, which is gonna be 1.999, so let's say 2 inches, with an overall thickness at the thickest point, I would say right here, of 0.44 inches. So it's a very cool size, I have to say. Let's check it out up against some other options. Here you've got Bulletproof Shield by Wu EDC Lung, and here you've got nice titanium Mahjong slider, and let me show you, that's the large size Umber Coin Taken edition. And here you've got your gamer slider by ACEDC. What else can I show you guys? Let me show you this. That's the Gamer Pro, also ACEDC. A big one, that's the Muji Capsule Spinner, just a fantastic one. And why not Mackie Capsule Slider right over there. And one more, sure, why not? Here you have it, NJT Hand Power. That's the Ufo Haptic Coin. So you have an idea of the size of this guy, but let's just check the look of this one, because there's a lot of things going on. You've got, of course, like these two inlays. I also saw a brass or bronze, I think was brass, and titanium options, which gives a little bit more contrast, but I honestly prefer this clean look of the titanium. You've got two slots for treats up here, and another two right up there, and 4 on the back, so you can have this guy glowing. Then you have a lot of milling lines going on. In the main spaceship, you have these predefined lines. You have a lot of intricate work going on. I really like that the fact that they went with the inlays, options, and the screws. It adds some complexity, and it has a really cool look. I'm also thinking that you can also maybe not use glue, because there's these two protruding little things that might hold the treats in place. I'm not sure, but it might be. Also nice 3 holes over here, 3 going on over there. You've got nice chamfering all the way around, and also in the back it's nicely done. I mean, guys, there's nothing to say about that. You have some very, very cool milling going on right over here. You open this guy up and you're gonna notice the screws on the, like, not sticking out, but you can see them, and you have another couple here to take down the cockpit right there, and you got 12 magnets, 6 per sides, which are of medium strength, I would say, and it's you know, it feels effortless, like to slide this guy down. Also, you have no tracks. So, for example, this is not like, for example, the Choclick, you see you've got tracks where the ball bearings are sliding in, and you got the magnet. So this guy, for example, can swing to the side, but not like here. See, in this position, doesn't go to the side. Basically, this guy is just free to go wherever you want. You can just slide it around like that. And it's very, very pleasant, I'm telling you. Also, you can have this guy, you see, you can just slide it probably. Yeah, you can have it also like reversed. Yeah, and it's gonna slide the same. You have the couple options here. You can just push it a little bit harder, like that, and have this very pleasant sound being produced. Or you can also be a little bit louder and just have it like push this guy down like you would do with any other slider and produce a very mellow sound, I have to say. That's not too bad because, for example, check this guy out. Also, this can be completely almost completely silent. But when you push it down, that's the sound compared to this. So this is much more mellow and less obtrusive. So really interesting, I have to say. And also I like the fact that, of course, you can slide it to the side. And maybe you can even do some tricks, something like that, you see? You can just do the ladder trick, like from the side, and just rotate it. So it's nice. You can play easily with this one. And I'm telling you, this guy is a light one. Being made of all titanium, I think except for the screws, this guy is gonna be weighing in at 1.47 ounces. So it's gonna be a pleasure to carry this guy. If you have shorts in the summer, just toss this in, you're not gonna even feel it, and you can just play with this. You can be enjoying this. Is beautiful, guys. It's super pleasant to the feel and to the ear because it's not obnoxiously loud. It's nice and contained. It is a nice toy, guys. I have to say that I like this one more than I was expecting to. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.